is Terry Bates, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to go over the main two different types of vinyl. Some people were asking questions. They just got their silhouette or cricket, and they're like, it's two types of vinyl in here. What do I do with them? What's the difference between the two? So as you can see, I have two yellow pieces here. They're a bit different in color, but this is the way you tell. See this one, the back of it, some of them have a graph on it, some of them don't, but it's plastic. I'm sorry, it's on paper. There's a paper backing. This is an Oracle 651, which is an adhesive glue, adhesive vinyl. It has adhesive glue on it, so you stick it to hard surfaces. You can make decals for your mugs or your car. And then here's the heat transfer vinyl. See how the back looks? It's a smooth, and then on the front there's a plastic film. So when you get ready to cut this goes on like a t-shirt or a bag or something that you're gonna heat press on. So this vinyl, you're going to have to mirror your image because you're going to cut it on the wrong side. So the colored side will go on the mat, and the back side here will go face upward, and the blade would cut on this side. I cut mine on the wrong side the first time, so I want to help somebody else out. The Oracle, you should not mirror your image unless you're trying to put it underneath the show through, but just for regular cutting, you cut on the top. You do not mirror your image, and then you use a piece of transfer tape to after you weed it, to pick up your image and place it somewhere else. Of course, this one already has the plastic, so when you weed out the excess vinyl, you'll be left with your design, and then when you place it on your garment or your bag or whatever, then it'll be upright. So I hope that helps someone out and explain things a little bit more in detail. And thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you next time. You're strong.